everybody, welcome back to a new video. And in this video, I'm just want to tell you guys we have to discuss something in Tower of Hell. So for you guys who were wondering why your blue or orange halo was removed from your account on Tower of Hell, don't panic, everybody has this. They basically removed these halos from your account basically because everybody's just going to get a halo, and halos were originally meant to be rare in the game. That's what I thought, because I just got the Explorer badge today and I wanted the halo, but hopefully you guys will basically understand this, because they had to just remove halos from everybody's accounts who had these halos. But don't worry, if you guys had like the red halo or the other halos like that, you guys still would be able to keep those halos. You guys keep the halos that are still in the game are, of course, the rainbow halo, which the owner has, the red halo, pink halo, purple halo, teal halo, and the green halo. So if you guys have any of those halos and you spent like hours and hours trying to get them, don't worry guys, those guys are still in the game. And yeah, that's all I want to tell you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and share this with your friends so they understand why their halo was removed from their account. And yeah, everybody, goodbye. With